Thanks so much for joining me. My name's Miss Emily and I'm one of our toddler teachers here at Heartfelt Impressions, and I am so excited to do this activity with you. Our theme this week was weather. So we have talked about all kinds of weather. We've talked about sunny weather, rainy weather, snowy weather, and today we're going to do something called rain painting. Now, for this activity, you're going to need coffee filters or paper. It doesn't matter which. Markers. You can use any colors of your choice. I grabbed a red one, a blue one, a purple one, an orange one, a green one, a yellow one, and this kind of pinkish one. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper or our coffee filter and we're going to draw all over it. Everybody in the family can do this. We're going to draw all over it. So first I'm going to use my pinkish marker and I'm just going to color, do some scribbling. What are you guys going to draw? That sounds really cool. And now I think I'm going to use my orange marker. And remember, after we use our markers, we have to put the caps back on so that they stay good and they don't dry out. So I'm going to scribble some more with my orange one. You can use as many or as few colors as you'd like. Now this is a really great activity because it connects what we're learning about weather, but it also really works on our fine motor and our art skills. So we're exploring art materials and we're using our small hand muscles to work on our grips as we're holding the markers and we're coloring our whole page. Now try and fill up as much of your coffee filter as you can. We really want to color the whole thing. Again, you can use as many colors or as few colors as you'd like, and everybody can do this. It is so much fun. It's going to be so cool to see what we do after. So now I'm going to use my purple one. Just going to color. Ooh. Okay. And now, last but not least, I'm going to use my red marker and I'm going to color just a little bit more to really fill up the whole coffee filter. Remember, this is really working on our fine motor skills, so it is great for kiddos of all ages to practice. Getting our hand muscles used to the idea of coloring and scribbling is what's going to help us learn how to write later. So now, I filled up my coffee filter. It's so colorful. I used so many colors. I scribbled all over it. Now you can draw pictures, you can draw scribbles, it does not matter. And now, if it's raining outside, you can go hang it outside. Now, luckily it's not raining here. So, if it's not raining outside and you can't put your coffee filter picture out in the rain, all you need is a spray bottle filled with water. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just drip some water. You can spritz it all over. Maybe mom and dad can help you get it wet in the sink. But I do have a spray bottle, so I'm going to use it. So I'm just going to take it, and on the side that I drew the picture, I'm going to spray it with water. Okay, now we're going to watch and see what happens. Okay, so now it's all wet. Oh, look, I see that the colors are starting to mix. What do you see? Yep, it looks like they're starting to mix. And they're starting to blend together now that it's wet. And it's kind of starting to look like tie-dye almost. Now again, this is rain painting. So if it's raining outside, you can definitely take it outside and put it in the rain. And the rain will make the colors blend together, just like the water from the spray bottle did. Now, when you're done, you can just go hang it up to dry, and you're done with the activity. You can do this as many times as you'd like. It's super easy. You just need markers, paper, coffee filter, and water. Also, if you, for some reason, don't have a spray bottle and you don't have coffee filters or paper, you can use baby wipes too. You can color directly on the baby wipe and the same type of thing will happen. It's really fun to watch and see. Now, this activity really works on working our observation skills as we kind of notice that all the colors are mixing and we can see all the changes that are happening as we put the water or as the rain falls on it. Now you can also work on your fine motor skills, again, because you're grasping the markers, and it is focusing on our art and creativity. Ask your child, what did you draw? And have them try and tell you. It's great practice, and we look forward to seeing all the art you make soon. Bye, guys!